Hey y'all, what's up? 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 Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. What's going on, you guys? Come on, you already know why we're here, but if you're new here, you won't be disappointed that you clicked on this video. I promise you. So you might as well go ahead and hit the subscribe button and join the family because we have a good time on this channel, okay? So you know why we're here. I'm here to bring y'all a new wig, and she is very pretty. She's very chic. She's very sassy. She just looks like she's a bomb.com, and I can't wait to try her on. So is y'all ready to be introduced to my new friend? Is y'all ready? Bam! This is the Outre Quick Weave Complete Cap. This is Maria. Maria, Maria. She reminds me of a story. But no, y'all, look at Maria. My lighting is like, there she go. Maria looks bomb, y'all. Like, I cannot wait to try out Maria. Like, I wanted to try something different other than a curly unit. So we just gonna take Maria out the box and see what she's working with. And I did get her in the color 1B. All right. It's the stock card. Maria looks pretty. She also looks pretty in that color, but I'm not that bold, you know what I'm saying? This is the inside of Maria. She doesn't have any combs. She just has she has a comb in the back. I'm sorry. She has a comb in the back and she has the adjustable straps. And Maria has a center part, okay? Here's a close up of the part. And I'm kind of nervous about that, but we'll see. And this is Maria. Her curls look good. It looks like, you know, somebody did a wand curl and just, you know, you'll finger comb it out. But let's go ahead and try Maria on. Okay. I'm feeling like, okay, ladies, now let's get information. Always stay gracious, best revenge is your wig. And first of all, I don't do middle parts because, you know, I feel like I got a big head. But we're going to bring her. There we go. But, ooh, this is cute. Honey, yes. Like, no, I like Maria. I feel like Maria needs a little bit of work on the parting. Here's the part. But other than that, oh, yes. Come on, girl. All right, let me do some adjusting. Y'all have to bear with me. The lighting looks yellow. I don't know why. I have a new camera. Don't know how to work it quite yet. It's like it switched up on me. Like, I don't know what happened. I don't know if it looks good. Y'all let me know. Anyways, back to this wig. Okay, the wig is really nice. And if you know how to finesse a part and lay down baby hairs and all that, I think Maria would be a nice wig for you. Especially if you like middle parts. I haven't gotten any shedding since I put Maria on, but Maria is nice, y'all. Like, I really like her, but I do know that you're supposed to put concealer on the middle part, on your parting of your wig, right? You're supposed to do that. Did I make it worse? Does that look good? I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so you can see the part a little bit more since I put the concealer right there. But yes, you definitely need to tweeze the part a little bit. But other than that, this wig is great, honey. Like, I like this wig, okay? And I'm not even a straight, you know, kind of gal. Ooh, I did that too quick. Like, my edges ain't laid down. But I like her. I really like Maria, you know? Yes, Maria is pretty. Okay. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna give y'all my final thoughts on this wig. I really think this is a nice wig, and I feel like if you're good at doing partings, like as far as like with tweezers and all of that, I'm not good at that. Y'all know I'm just starting out on this whole wig thing. I'm not really good at that. So if y'all feel like y'all good at that, then this is definitely a wig for you. She's very affordable. The link to where I purchased the wig will be down in the description box below. So if you like this video, you guys, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Again, I apologize for the lighting. I don't know what happened. Y'all, I'm learning and growing. I told y'all in the beginning, but I'm going to tell y'all again. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that big red button down below and subscribe to my channel. If you are subscribed, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me. And hopefully, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.